Okay. Should I turn off more light, or what is the name of the structure? Since you need these material, I'm going to turn off a little bit more light. So hopefully it catches on there. Thank you, Ken, for reminding that. Okay, what is the name of the structure? Spongin. What phylum? Peripheral. Phylum peripheral. What is the name of the molecule? Remember first, collagen. Collagen is the name of the molecule. Okay, I think that. What is the name of structure? Spicules. What is the name of the phylum? Peripheral. And what is the molecule? Calcium carbonate or silicon? Either one. Calcium carbonate, silicon. When I ask for phylum, please write down the scientific name. Do not write down sponges. Write down peripheral. If you write down sponges, I don't know, it depends on what side of the bed I woke up that morning. I will give you credit, but scientific name, sponges is a common name. When I say what is the common name, how about if I put this up, what is the common name of the phylum? Sponges. Okay, but when I ask what is the name of the phylum, it is peripheral. Okay, you have both of them. You have spongin and spicules on this slide. Not necessarily, remember, some of you go by color. It's amazing. Whatever I'm asking you guys, my teachers asked me in Minnesota. You remember Minnesota? Undergraduate, 4 years of it. Don't go by color. Okay, you gotta go by shape, because I'll show you a slide, it's this color, and you go berserk. You all know what berserk is. What is berserk? Very good, thank you. In old days, I gotta tell you the story. In old days, tell you the story or no? In old days, when two armies were facing each other, so one army put the guy who were crazy in the front, and they acted berserk. So it intimidated the other army in order, hopefully, they win the battle. So they called those people who were crazy, they gave them a sword, and they went wild in front of the other army. True story. Look it up. Thank God to Google. Look it up. Origin of berserk. Okay, but anyway. Yes, any other questions? No? Okay. What is the name of the organism? Name of organism, Scypha or Grantia or Cycon. Biologists are crazy people. One species, they call it 3 different organisms, but same. Okay, either one you write down is accepted. Either one. Okay, what kind of canal system? Canal system. Cycloid. It's a cycloid type canal. Cycloid. Okay, are you guys ready for structures? What is the name of structure? Ostium. What is the name of, I'm trying to look at it. What is the name of structure right here? Incurrent canal. What is the name of structure? Radial canal. What is the name of structure? Like apple pie. Apple pie. Apple pie. Apple pie. What is the name of the structure or area of sponges here? What are the name of these structures? Amphiblastular. No, the quantocytes, I have to go higher magnification. You will not see them. They're here, but I'm not asking on this magnification. This is too low of a magnification. I've got to go higher. You can see them. Okay, here's a higher magnification, of course, amphiblastula. What is the name of that structure right here? Prosopile. The opening between radial canal and incurrent canal. Okay. What is the name of the cell? And remember the question. If it is a cell, I will ask the cell. I will not ask structure. What is the name of the cell? Choanocytes. These are your choanocytes, flagellated or collar cells, collar. C-O-L-L-A-R, collar cell. Okay. Okay. What is the name of the cell right here? Archaeocytes or amoebocytes. Either one you write down is acceptable. Archaeocytes, amoebocytes. What is the name of the cell? Pinacocytes. Those are pretty much, as far as the cells go, structures and cells. And remember, these are amphiblastula. These are the juvenile, the larval stages of the sponges. Okay, here's a high magnification again. Beautiful, gorgeous looking. This is probably 40x. Gorgeous looking pinacocytes. Choanocytes and amoebocytes, maybe that's one right here. Okay, so if I want those structures, usually I put them on 40x. And then of course you have to know it's a sponge. What is the name of structure? I'm not going to go everything here. Osculo. What is the name of structure? Gemmules. Gemmules. They are the internal bud of the sponges. Again, what are these guys? Spicules. What is the name of the organism? Leucosolenia. What type of canal system? Ascenoid. What class? Very good. Class Calcarea. What class? Calcarea. This is also Calcarea. Remember that? This is also Calcarea. Both of them are Calcarea. What is the name of structure? Osculo. And that's the only thing you can see on these guys. Okay, you cannot see the actual canal system that, like a cycloid one. These are, you cannot see them. Okay, what is the name of structure or stage of development? Either one. These are medusa blood. What organism? Obelia. What class?
Hydrozoa.
Very good. Hydrozoa. I hope you're all good. Again, higher magnification. No structures here you should know. Tentacles, any other thing, don't worry about it. What is the name of structure? Planula larva. If I ask you what organism, you can write down either Obelia or Arulia. Remember that? They both have planula larva. What is the mode of locomotion? Cilia. What is the name of structure or stage of development? Ephyra. What is the name of the organism? Arulia. What class? Scyphozoa. Remember the true jellyfish, the common name, they call them true jellyfish. Again, no structures here you should know. What is the name of the organism? Obelia. There are a few structures here you should know. Okay, let's go over them quickly. Are you guys ready? What is the name of the colony? Gonangium or gonozoid? Gonozoid gonangium. What is the name of the colony? Hydrant, gastrozoid, dactylozoid, any of those is acceptable. Okay. What is the name of structure? Tentacles. What is the name of these structures? I didn't ask colony. What is the name of structure? Medusa buds. Very good, medusa bud. What is, you cannot see it in this, but there is a sac here. What is the name of that structure right here? Gonotheca. Theca means sac. Gono, like a gonad. So it's holding up the gonad product is called gonotheca. Okay, there are two layers in here. I hope you can see them. What is the name of, that was a quiz question and you guys were afternoon lab. What is the name of structure right here? Pericyte. And what is it made up of? Chitin. Is it living or non-living? Non-living. What is the name of the structure? Sinosarc. It is living cells are percolating in there and feeding the whole entire colony and so on and so forth. Is there any other structure I have to know then? I have to know. No, not you. Thursday is it? What, third Armageddon? Okay, what is the name of the structure? It's not a cell, it's a structure. Because they were inside of a cell. They dissolved the cell by enzymes and they came out. And what is the name of the structure? Higher magnification, lower magnification, higher magnification. What is it? Nematocyst. If you write down cnidocyte, that is wrong. Cnidocytes, Amir, it is cnidocyte. No, it's not cnidocyte, it's a nematocyst. It's a nematocyst. And you can see them. Right here is a filament. Some of in your slides, some of them, the filament is all extended, nice and beautiful. Okay, let's go. What is the name of the organism? Hydra. What class? Hydrozoa. Freshwater or marine? Freshwater. What is the name of the structure? Tentacles. What type of reproduction? Budding. What is the name of structure? Basal disc or foot. We talked about this. Okay, let's go. What is the name of the organism? Hydra. Same organism, cross section. That was the whole map in your slides. Sometimes you see WM. It means the whole animal is on the slide. This is a CS, cross section. They cut the animal in cross. Okay, let's go over it. I like it. Oh, well, this is too much, but that's okay. What is the name of the structure?
Epidermis.
Epidermis. What is the name of structure?
Gastrodermis.
Gastrodermis. What is the name of the structure or area?
Gastrovascular cavity.
Gastrovascular cavity. What is the name of the structure right here?
Mesothelial.
Mesothelial layer. Very thin. Okay, and during lab exam, I'll come and check it several times. Right? What is the name of the organism? You cut it up. Deal with it. What is the name of the organism? Your good old friend. Planaria. What is the scientific name? Genus. Tussigia. I hope when you're presenting your paper today, you mention it somewhere along the line. But anyhow, what is the name of the structure? Auricles. What is the name of structure? Eye spots. What is the name of structure? Pharynx. Of course, the one that I took the picture, it does not show you the gastrovascular cavity and diverticulum. Make sure you look at the slides that are stained with hematoxylin. It's red. Okay, so you can see the gastrovascular cavity and diverticulum. Okay, cross section of the animal. What is the name of structure? Gastrovascular cavity. What is the name of the layer? Parenchymal layer. Okay. What is the name of structure? Pharynx. What is the name of structure?
Buccal cavity.
Buccal cavity. Okay. And then of course other things are visible. Very good. What is the name of structure you think?
Nerve.
Nerve cord, okay, I'll take that. But cerebral ganglion, nerve cord, anything you write like that, you write down, I'll take it. Okay, right. This is on 40X, same slide on 40X. What is the name of structure?
Radial muscle.
Radial muscle. These are your radial muscle. Okay, you have them all over. Again, what is the name of structure? Eye spots. What is the name of structure? This is cerebral ganglion, no, not nerve cord. And you can see them beautifully on both sides. Cerebral ganglion. Okay, let's go. Okay, great. What is the name of structure?
Epidermis.
Epidermis. You see those lines?
Yeah.
Right? What is the name of structure? Circular muscle. Circular muscle. And then, if you move farther down, these are what? Longitudinal muscles. You don't see any here anymore, right? This is parenchymal layer. These are longitudinal muscles and not here. Do you guys see the difference of the color? If you practice and looked at it every day at 100,000 people here in Tennessee, and I was in the lab. What? You have read this story 100 times. Is that right? Right here. Of course, some people came from Alabama, watched the game, so 100,000 minus 5, 10,000, 90,000. That's a very. Okay, but again, what is the name of the organism? Sorry. Planaria. Tussigia. What class? Turbellaria. What phylum? Platyhelminthes. Okay. What is the name of the organism? Chronorchis sinensis. What is the common name? Again, for this exam, we have to know some common name as well. What is the common name? Liver fluke. Human liver fluke, yes. Okay, are you guys ready? What class? Trematodes. Cestodes are the tapeworms. These are the flukes. Okay, what is the name of the structure? Oral sucker. What is the name of that structure right there? Mouth. What is the name of the structure? Pharynx. Powerful pharynx. They have muscular pharynx to suck food from their host. What is the name of the structure? Esophagus. Esophagus. What is the name of structure? Cecum. Intestinal cecum, either one. Intestinal. This is the middle of the animal, though I couldn't fit the whole entire animal on the slide. What is the name of structure? Ventral sucker. Oral sucker on top, ventral sucker in the mid portion of the animal. What is the name of structure? Yolk glands. What is the name of the structure? Uterus. full of eggs.
Come
Uterus.
in, Amir. Show me what you got.
Okay. Ready now. Good. What is the name of it's lobed? What is the name of structure? Ovary. Very good. What is the name of structure? Seminal receptacles. What is the name of structure?
Testes.
Testes. Very good. And these are what? Your yolk glands. And this is the posterior end of the animal. You see the end of cecum right here. On your model, you have this excretory pore or your urinary bladder. The excretory bladder is right up here. We talked about it. Clonorchus sinensis. Okay. What is the name of the organism? Very good. Clonorchus sinensis. It has the egg. This is the egg. It has the operculum. Easy to identify. Very, very small compared to your other egg that you have to know, which is Diphyllobothrum latum. This is much, much smaller. This is under 40 eggs. I didn't even take a picture of it under 10 eggs. Okay. What is the name of the organism? Your good old fasciola hepatica. I could not fit it under the whole entire. Well, let's start anterior portion of the animal. What is the name of the structure right here?
Oral sucker.
Oral sucker. What is the name of structure?
Ventral sucker.
Ventral sucker. All of this is what?
Testes.
Those are all testes. And then you have a remedy of, what is the name of structure? Uterus. Very good. Uterus. You're right. The uterus. And there are some yolk on the side. Of course, I have to get the lightening on the microscope correctly, and so on and so forth. But right here, these are all yolk. Is there any other structure I have to know on this slide that I listed for you in your handout? Huh? Anything? What class? Trematode. Very good. What phylum? Just Platyhelminthes. What is the name of structure? Cercaria. What organism? You have two cercaria. But what organism? This is fasciola hepatica. Fasciola hepatica. What is the name of the structure? Mericidium. Mericidium and cilia on the outside. Okay. What is the name of structure? Redia. Inside of redia are cercaria. Inside of redia are your cercaria. What is the name of structure? No, structure. No, structure. Cercaria. What is the name of the species? Schistosoma. Remember, this schistosoma, the tail is branched. Do I make sense? But in case of fasciola, the tail is not branched. They both are cercaria. 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 Schistosoma. Fasciola hepatica. Farhana, do I make sense? Yes. What is the name of the organism? Male and female schistosoma. Okay. What is the name of structure? Oral sucker. What is the name of structure, Alex?
Ventral.
Ventral sucker. Determine the gender.
Female.
Female. Determine the gender.
Male.
This is the only species that is dioecious we are studying in here. Right? The only species that is dioecious. Okay. What is the name of structure? Gynecoporic canal. Gynecoporic canal that female resides in it. Of course, male is larger, as you can see. Female is smaller. And yes. This is schistosoma. You don't have to know which one it is. Schistosoma. If you were taking parasitology later on, you have to know schistosoma mansoni or schistosoma hematobium, schistosoma japonicum. But most of the slides we have is mansoni. Most of it you have is mansoni. This is mansoni, if you want to. Don't worry. What is the name of the organism? This is indication. This is the one that caused the damage in the host. Right?
Yeah, it is.
Schistosoma. This is schistosoma. Look at the spike. Of course, the slide, this was turned around and it's on the other side. So right here is the spike, and this is a schistosoma. Again, it's mansoma. Beautiful. For my bedroom wall, not for you guys. Just whoever took this picture did a great job.
Yeah, that's.
Okay, let's go to tapeworms. I think we're toward the end of it. Tapeworms. What is the name of the organism or class? Well, this is more likely like Tinea sodium because he has hooks, he has suckers, look like Tinea sodium. Okay. Again, this is not mature. This is not ripe proglottis. This is right around the neck region. You cannot distinguish between the ovary, testes, yolk gland, uterus. None of that is there. So this is right around germinative zone. Immature, if you would. Immature. Here we go. Nice, beautiful, mature proglottis. What is the name of structure?
Testes. Ovaries.
Ovaries. What is the name of structure?
Yolk gland.
Yolk gland. What is the name of these structures? All of these.
Testes.
Testes. And then uterus is here. I'll find it on the slide. On my slides that I took them, it's not there, but you see a nice, beautiful uterus here, and right here is genital pore. Right here, well, again, genital pore is right there. Same thing here, uterus is here. Yes, sir?
For the genital pore, you don't want us to know about like how it goes from genital pore then vagina?
No, don't worry about all of those. Vagina, serous pouch, serous sac. No, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Too much.
Too much? Okay.
Okay. If you didn't have to know sponges and jellyfish, I would make you to know these things. But
You
it's
can
not
take them out of the exam.
It's
I
not
have
a
no problem with that.
parasitology class, so just general idea. What is the name of the entire structure? Avid proglottids, ripe proglottids, right here. Ripe or gravid proglottids. What is the name of that structure?
Uterus.
Uterus full of eggs. These are all eggs. What is the name of the organism?
No, we just went over it.
Hippolydium caninum. What is the common name?
Dog
Dog, tapeworm. What is the name of structure?
Genital pore.
Genital pore. What is the name of structure? Sorry, let's go higher. Yes. What is the name of structure? Testes. What is the name of structure? Ovary. What is the name of structure? Genital pore. Genital pore. On the bottom in here should be yolk gland. And again, I don't know why in this slide I do not have it, but they are there. The yolk glands are there. Again, another Tinea sodium hooks, suckers, Tinea sodium. This is hydatid cyst. You remember it becomes as big as a basketball.
Oh.
And all of these are just the head of one tapeworm. So this can become a tapeworm, this can become a tapeworm, this. So when a carnivore eats this, you remember this can be found in mice, rats, and dog or cat come and eat them. So when a carnivore eats this, one of these guys become a tapeworm. They ingest thousands of them. Okay, so we human ingest one of these, then it can become a basketball. We do not ingest, we add the egg, I'm sorry, let me go back. When we human ingest the egg, then inside of us, this is developed. That can become as big as a basketball. And of course, no other carnivores like to eat us except tigers, I don't know, lions. What is the name of the organism? Make sure you know this. This is one of the smallest tapeworm for human. Human, of course, we are not the definitive host. We are the intermediate host. But this is, what is it? Echinococcus glandinosus. It has only 3 portions. It has only, there is nothing else here. Scolex, mature, the neck area, germinative zone, mature and ripe proglottids. That's it. That's all they have. They do not have many ripe proglottids. They do not have many mature proglottids. That's it. Egg of what? What is the name of the organism?
Colon.
Diphyllobothrum latem. It has an operculum right here. That's the egg of Diphyllobothrum latem. Here is the scolex of Diphyllobothrum latem. What kind of disease does it cause? We just talked about it this morning. Megablastic anemia or pernicious anemia. Here is the proglottids of these guys. Uterus full of eggs, testes. What is the name of the structure?
Cysticercus.
Cysticercus. This is sister circus, either tinea sodium, this is tinea sodium, your slide says sodium, you're going to go by sodium, and all outside of it, all of these are meat, red meat. What is the name of structure? You do have slide of this. Strobila. Of what organism? Obelia. Very good. This is obelia. Let's go over 2x2s quickly so we can finish this and put it online today. This is each one of this becomes a jellyfish, right? Usually, if you count them, there are about 11, 12 of them. On your slides, you only have 4 or 5 of them. Okay, so you have 11, 12 of them. Oh, last one. Here we go. Right here, the 2x2s. What is the name of the organism? Right here is tinea, guys. You cannot tell the difference between tinea sodium and tinea saginata. You can't. But again, you look at the proglottids, right? Proglottids, you can. Or scolex, you can tell them apart. But the eggs, you cannot. It's tinea. What class? Cestodes. Tinea is a cestodes. I last checked my record. Okay, what is the name of the organism? Huh? No, snail. Yeah, snail. Yes, but that's yeah, snail. Yeah, that's a good one. What is it?
Limia or Limia?
Limenium. And it's what? What is so special about Limenium? It's an intermediate host of Fasciola hepatica. Intermediate host of Fasciola hepatica. What is the name of, you don't have to know this, but what is the name of this? Is the egg of Fasciola hepatica. It has a curriculum. But I might ask you what class. You have to know this. What class? Fasciola hepatica is class trematode. And this is Perganomus westermani. What class? Same thing, trematode. Same thing, trematode. So these two, all you have to know is trematode, phylum, Platyhelminthes. I will not ask you because they are very similar, they are very much alike. I will not ask you this Fasciola hepatica, this is operculum, Perganomus westermani. You already seen this morning. What is the name of the organs? Huh? Dipylidium canine. Common name, cloth tapeworm. What is, I didn't talk about this, again, a lot of farm animals in the United States have this. In the lab, I've seen it a lot when I was working in Tennessee. What is the name of the organs? Monesia. Monesia or Monesia, either one. What class? Cestodes. Who is the final host? As I said, ruminant animals. Sheep, goat,